Hey everybody, I'm Hot Rod Ray. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, we hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and hit the notification buttons. So today we're going to make a dolly for our rat rod cab. We're just going to use some repurposed steel. This here happens to be a bottom of a crate that we obtained last summer when we bought a wood processor. This was the bottom of it, and it had some decent 1x2 steel in it, so we tossed it off to the side thinking maybe one of these days we would cut it up and use it for something. And I guess this is one of those days, because we were looking around and thought, well, you know, that kind of already has a base, so all we got to do is a little bit of work to it and we can make a dolly for moving our cab around. So let's get started on this. What we're going to do is we're going to keep the four corners the way they are. We're going to cut the center pieces out because there's no reason for them to be hanging down. And then we're going to take a scrap piece that we made some gussets out of. We're going to put this on the back side of here, and we're going to take these plates that have 4 holes in them already. I already made them up for the caster wheels, and we're going to put them like this and weld them down, and then our caster wheels are going to sit on there. The caster wheels are also going to be repurposed. We got them out of a junkyard. I think they used to be on an old dumpster or something. They were seized up and locked up. I took some penetrating oil and worked with them a little bit and got the little bearings broke loose and everything. They seem to be working pretty good. So we're going to be using those on this as well. And let's get started. We're going to go ahead by cutting these off. So we'll do that right now. Just a little more cut. There we go. Cut the other one off. Now while we have it set up like this, we'll go ahead and clean it up so we can weld the plates on it and gussets on it. Check the grinders here real quick. I'm not going to bore you with doing all of them at the same time right now. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and put this one in place or weld it. we'll tack this in place. And then I'll shut the camera off and we'll go ahead and do all that. So we'll turn the welder on. Get our ground hooked up. There we go. Alright, let's see about putting these in place. Alright, with that tacked in place, I'll take the camera off the tripod. Teresa's not with me today. She's got some stuff she's doing, so I'm winging it myself. I'm hoping that we can do this without too much confusion. Alright, so that's what we got. We got our little gusset, and then we got our plate tacked in place like that, and I'm going to do that to the rest of them, and we'll be right back. Okay, here it is, guys. We have it welded up. We got our nuts and bolts through our casters, got it all in there, rolls around real nice and easy. We got the stubs and stuff that was sticking up on this side cut off. We may have to do a little grinding on them to clean them up so things set a little more flush on it. But there's our cart right here, and in a second we'll show you how well it works. Okay, here you have it, guys. Our simple little dolly with our cab sitting on top of it. We can roll around our shop now. That easy. Simple little tools from repurposed materials, and it'll last us a very, very long time. We can put cab after cab on it when we do our projects. We can put some frames on it, maybe some smaller, lighter frames. You never know what we're going to be running up into next. So, but for now, as for our cabs, we can move the cab around the shop without having it being a hard thing to move around. We can pull it out and do our videos and do our work on it, and if we have to move it out of the way for something else, we can move it out of the way, bring something else in, and work on it very easily. So there you have it, guys. That'll do it for this one. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.